guys, it's Sargent. I'm back today with another video. In today's video, I am testing out Karity's Picante Palette. It's a beautiful warm tone palette. If you guys want to see how I got this mustardy rust look, then guess what I'm going to say? Keep watching. Okay guys, so we are going to be using the Picante palette today by Karity. This is a really gorgeous rusty colored palette. There's a lot of nice mustard tones, rust tones, warm tones. There's some wine colors. It's just a really beautiful palette. So I'm thinking today I want to go for kind of like a mustardy rust look. So I think that this palette will be perfect for that. I think getting started, I'm going to go in with this mustard tone right here called Dune. And I'm just going to sweep this in my crease. I think I want most of this look to be a mustard tone, and then I think I'm going to deepen it up with some of the rust colors. So if you guys have never used Karity before, it is a very affordable brand, and I would say it runs along the lines of maybe like Morphe or ColourPop. It's super affordable, but they have really beautiful, interesting colored palettes. I also have the Come As You Are palette. I did do a look on that. It was like a really nice grunge palette. So if you guys want to check that video out, I'll try to remember to link that for you guys. So I'm just trying to pat down the basic shape that I want, and I'm winging this out a little bit. I just really like this shape. I think that it's really flattering for my eye shape, and I feel like this shape just draws the eyes up. Now that I have that shape, I'm going to go in and just pat this color down all over my lid and sweep this up. So I'm basically just creating like a cat eye shape. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush, and I'm going to dip back into that Dune color, and I'm just going to use this to blend that out. I kind of patted that shape down, and now I just want to diffuse the lines out a little bit. When I'm blending, I really like to blend up into the hollow right underneath my brow bone right here. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Bobbie. It is a really nice butterscotch caramel color, and I'm going to use my same fluffy brush. I'm just going to pat this down on my eyelids and bring it up into my crease and just basically darken what we just did. Just gonna add a little bit more depth. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Harvest. This is a really beautiful rusty color, and I am gonna be placing that in my inner and outer crease. Basically just creating a halo eye. And I first like to just kind of like pat the color down, and once I get it patted down where I want it, then I go back in and blend. And I'll go over this with my bigger fluffy brush too. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush and just use that to blend the edges of what we just put down. Okay, next I'm going to go back into that mustardy color right here called Dune, and I'm just going to retouch up my eyelids. I just want a pop of like mustard in the center, so I'm just going to brighten that up a little bit. Since we've gone in with our fluffy brush and kind of diffused out what I originally put down, I'm going to place this right in the center. Okay, next I'm going to go in with one of my all-time favorite eyeliners, and this is Torch by Urban Decay, and this is a beautiful rust colored eyeliner, and I'm going to spread this along my lower lash line and smudge it out. Okay, next I'm going to go into this shade right here called Pimento, and this is like right in between Dune and Bobbie. It's like mustardy butterscotch color, and I'm going to just run this under my lower lash line on top of the liner that we just put down. And I really love the way that those two colors look when they're mixed together. I think it mimics the upper eye that we just did. Okay, next I'm going to be going in with this shade right here called Delia, and this is like a creamy flesh tone color, and I just want to put this on my inner corners just to brighten up my eyes a little bit. Next up for the eyes, I'm going to put on a little bit of winged liner on the outer half of my upper lash line. I'm going to be going back in with that Urban Decay pencil in the color Torch. And I'm just going to do a little cat wing, just like that. Just like that on the outer half. Okay, now that we have the liner down, I'm going to be going in with Marc Jacobs mascara in Velvet Noir. This is one of my all-time favorite mascara formulas, and I'm going to be coating just my top lashes. Okay, that does it for the eyes. I really don't feel like putting on fake eyelashes today, so I'm not going to. Next up for highlight, I am going to use Fenty's Hustla Baby, and it's this beautiful golden peach highlight that I think will go really nicely with the eyes. Okay, for lips today, I'm going to go in with Lime Crime's Velveteen in the color Squash. This is a very yellowy mustard shade, and I just thought it would be kind of fun to do kind of a little bit of a monochromatic look today. That is that squash color. I really love this shade. It's super unique. It's probably one of the more yellow toned mustards that I own, but it's super unusual, so I really do love it. Alright, so that does it for the look today. Again, we were using Karity's Picante Palette. I think Karity is a really cool company. They, as I mentioned, are super affordable, and they do really compelling color stories in their palettes. If you guys haven't had a chance to go check out their website, I would definitely recommend looking at them and maybe trying out a palette for yourself. Like I said, they're not expensive. Maybe give one a try, see what you think, and let me know what you guys think and if you like them. As always, if you guys have any questions today or any comments, please feel free to pop those down below in the comment section. I love talking with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also follow me if you'd like over on Instagram at Sargent Pepper. And I think that's going to do it for me. I hope that you guys are staying safe and happy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!